Hello you guys. I want to share with you my new do-it-yourself diorama room, and I absolutely love it. I've been always thinking about making a barber shop for the men since I have all the women taken care of. So I decided to go ahead and put up things that I love. Look at the beatbox radio there. Got a few little shaving creams and brushes and mirrors and colognes and I love it. Okay, so we have some mirrors over here. We have the old school TV mounted up there and an 8-track deck set right there. 2 barber chairs, and we're just about ready.